like every 2 years, we are glad to present the result of the assessment of the current market and forecast for the future, and to make a short presentation of the result of the study. And show.
This afternoon, UNIFE has launched its 6th World Rail Market Study, looking at prospects for the rail industry over the next 6 years. And here with us is Andreas Schrilling of Roland Berger, who is responsible for conducting the study. Well, Andreas, what's the big finding for this year?
Well, the big finding is that in the last 2 years, the market grew by 3%, so slightly more than we predicted in most of the segments. And the second main finding is that for the next 6 years, we expect another significant growth at 2.6% per year in all continents and in all product segments, meaning infrastructure, rail control, rolling stock and services.
So a growing market, continuing to grow, but I believe there are concerns over the accessibility for international suppliers to get into certain countries.
Yes, indeed there are. So in several countries such as China, Japan and South Korea, we have observed that business is getting more difficult for European rail supply companies over there. And these markets are less accessible than they were 2 or 5 years ago. There are some other countries and areas where accessibility has slightly improved. So for instance, high-speed and urban transportation in India, and the maintenance for trains with the liberalization in Europe. But overall, these slight increases do not offset the reduced accessibility in some of the Asian markets.
Yeah, in the past, one of the big drivers was high speed. Today, it seems to be metros. Is that a growing trend around the world? Is that driven by urbanization?
Yes, indeed, urbanization is a main growth driver in basically all countries, so from Latin America to the Middle East to China. However, we still see some sizable high-speed projects. There will be additional high-speed lines constructed in China, and of course high-speed 2 in the UK is an important project as well.
Okay, Andreas, thank you very much indeed.